Guys, first we have this amazing red SUV. Just look at its powerful body design. The front shape looks super realistic and stylish. Check out these big wheels and detailed tires. Even the back side looks very premium. This SUV looks just like a real luxury vehicle. Now let's look at this awesome red sports car. Its low sporty design looks really cool and stylish. The shiny red color makes it look super attractive. Look at the smooth body shape and racing style wheels. This car gives a real supercar feeling. Wow! Here comes the Toyota pickup truck. Its strong body design looks fantastic. The front grille and headlights look very detailed. Check out the back storage area and the big wheels. This pickup looks ready for an off-road adventure. This BMW M3 style car looks very premium. The sporty shape makes it look super fast. The red color gives this car an amazing racing vibe. Look at the detailed wheels and smooth side design. This car looks like a luxury racing machine. Guys, now we have this red double-decker bus. Its unique design makes it stand out from the other vehicles. The upper deck looks really interesting and fun. This bus looks just like famous city buses. It's a very cool addition to this collection. This classic style car looks absolutely beautiful. Its vintage design gives it a very special look. The old school shape makes it look elegant and stylish. Collectors really love cars like this. This car has an amazing classic vibe. Now check out this small but sporty racing car. Its shiny body and smooth design look awesome. The sporty wheels make it look super fast. This little car gives a real racing vibe. It may be small, but it looks really powerful. This red pickup truck looks strong and powerful. The solid body design makes it look realistic. Check out the big wheels and detailed front side. Kids really love vehicles like this. This truck looks ready for heavy-duty work. So guys, these were today's amazing toy vehicles collection. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which vehicle was your favorite. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.